What if you could hire the best talent in the world, no matter where they live? In today's global economy, businesses are looking for the best talent to help them succeed. But finding the right people can be difficult, especially if you're limited by geography. That's where Deel comes in. Deel is a global employment platform that allows you to hire and manage employees from anywhere in the world. With Deel, you can find the best talent. Deel has a pool of over 10 million talented professionals from all over the world. Hire quickly and easily. Deel's platform makes it easy to onboard new employees and get them up to speed quickly. Manage your employees effectively. Deel provides you with all the tools you need to manage your employees, including performance tracking, time tracking, and payroll. Comply with local laws and regulations. Deel takes care of all the legal and compliance paperwork for you, so you can focus on your business. Deel works with a wide variety of countries, including the United States. Deel can help you hire employees in all 50 states, including remote workers. The United Kingdom. Deel can help you hire employees in the UK, including remote workers. Canada. Deel can help you hire employees in Canada, including remote workers. Australia. Deel can help you hire employees in Australia, including remote workers. New Zealand. Deel can help you hire employees in New Zealand, including remote workers. The European Union. Deel can help you hire employees in all 27 EU member states, including remote workers. Latin America. Deel can help you hire employees in many Latin American countries, including Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Mexico, and Peru. Asia. Deel can help you hire employees in many Asian countries, including China, India, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, and Thailand. Africa. Deel can help you hire employees in many African countries, including Egypt, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. In addition to the countries listed above, Deel can also help you hire employees in many other countries around the world. Benefits of using Deel. Find the best talent. Deel has a pool of over 10 million talented professionals from all over the world. Hire quickly and easily. Deel's platform makes it easy to onboard new employees and get them up to speed quickly. Manage your employees effectively. Deel provides you with all the tools you need to manage your employees, including performance tracking, time tracking, and payroll. Comply with local laws and regulations. Deel takes care of all the legal and compliance paperwork for you, so you can focus on your business. Save money. Deel's pricing is competitive, and you can save money on hiring and managing employees. Improve your company's culture. By hiring employees from all over the world, you can create a more diverse and inclusive workplace. Use cases. Deel can be used by a variety of businesses, including startups. Deel can help startups to quickly and easily hire the talent they need to grow. Scale-ups. Deel can help scale-ups to expand their operations into new markets. Enterprise companies. Deel can help enterprise companies to find the best talent for their most critical roles. Freelancers. Deel can help freelancers to find more work and get paid on time. Deel is a powerful platform that can help you hire and manage employees from anywhere in the world. If you're looking to find the best talent, hire quickly and easily, and manage your employees effectively, then Deel is the right solution for you. If you're interested in learning more about how Deel can help you, please visit our website or contact us today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to grow your business.